Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to the channel. So we're about to take the Crown Vic to the car wash. Now normally I don't take it to the car wash. I do it myself, but this time I don't, really have the time or just don't really feel like doing it. So we're gonna take it to the car wash. Now we're not just gonna take it to the car wash. We're gonna actually go ahead and get the most expensive wash they have. So that's what this video is going to be about, the most expensive wash they have. Now if you watch the channel, you know that for the most part we keep the car clean. So we're going to see if the most expensive wash is worth getting on the Crown Vic. Now since we don't take it to the wash that often, we can afford to spend a little extra at the wash. All right, so let's go ahead and get started. I want to show you guys a quick glimpse of this all black Crown Victoria. It looks like it is in pretty good shape. And I had to make one quick stop before we make it to the wash. And another reason we got to take it to the wash, or at least we're going to consider this time, is because we have to actually vacuum the car out. If you caught that last video, we did take the car out to the beach. And you know how the beach is. If you've ever been, you bring back sand. I mean, sand just, it's like it's your friend. It doesn't want to leave. So, we got to take it and vacuum it out, get rid of all the sand. And of course, right now I'm filming. We're not going to film and drive. We're going to drive and film. You catch my drift? So let's get to it. Okay, like I said, we're going to get the most expensive. This is all the way at the top. This is $21. Man, that is a lot for a wash. Let's go ahead and swipe away. Go ahead and get that. And we're waiting. Got the receipt. Now it's time to pull in. So we got 21 bucks, man. We got the Poly Pro wash. Let's see if it's worth it. More than likely it's not, but we're gonna run with it anyway. So let's see what we got here, guys. They got, right now they're scrubbing the windows for us, getting it nice and clean. Hey man, let me get that air freshener. No, I'm just playing. They're gonna bring one anyway. Just gotta pull on up, make sure you don't run nothing over. And we are headed in. As you see, the light flashing on top, that's that Polymer Pro. And we're headed in. We got the colored soap. Now, I wonder, is it all the same soap and just different color lights, or is it, really a difference there? Hey, we won't know, but the soap actually does smell good. Too bad you guys can't smell it, but that's one thing, you do smell the soap. You want to head on in here. So far, so good. Like I said, I don't usually take the car through the wash that often. It's pretty much rare. For one, we have a lot of antennas on the car, and I just feel like the car wash beats the paint off your car. That's just how I feel. Let me know down in the comment section what you guys think. If you especially if you got a nice paint, you don't want to go through here. I mean, it's gonna scratch it up, things like that. But really, this paint is in good shape, but it's not to the point to where it can handle a little abuse right now. So we're gonna go ahead and swing on through here. Right now we're rinsing off. Now this right here, we should get tire wax on it. So we're gonna see if it, if it does any good. If not, we got some in the trunk. But for the price, I mean, we should get a good amount of tire wax. But hey, who knows? Could be a big ripoff, right? We're gonna find out. And this is the air freshener. As you see, I did turn the lights on as we're going through here. Just to light the dash up at least. It says tire shine. And we got the little signal light up to the left. Yellow, yellow. We can leave on the green. And we're waiting. And no green yet. Let's go. Alright, so we got it out of the wash. For the most part, it looks pretty good. Got a little nice little gloss to it. Nothing I couldn't have done myself. And let's see what else we got here. Walk on around. Now this is where it counts on the front, so we still see a lot of no bug juice on the front. So for the price of it, no, they didn't do a good job. I mean, because the bug juice is still on the front of the car. That's one of the most important things, is getting the bugs off the front. They should have scrubbed the bumper with those brushes to me. But other than that, it did okay. It did okay. Check out the tire shine. As you see, there is nothing on this wheel, nothing at all. So we're gonna have to whip the can out. Yep, for that price, I mean, check it out, man. That's why I don't go through the wash. You got to add your own shine after 21 bucks. Big ripoff. Should ask for my money back. There we go. I just went ahead and did all 4 of them. A couple of them did have a little shine on them, but for that price, I wanted these tires to be, glossing. But, I went ahead and took care of it myself. We got the inside vacuum, wiped it down, looking fresh again. Did the door jams. So I got to put the antenna back on the car. For some reason, I decided to take this one off. So we're going to slide this one back on here and screw it back on, and we'll be good to go. Ready to ride. All right. The trunk closed. All the other antennas survived. There we go. Got a nice gloss to it, though. We keep it clean for the most part. Check it out. Check it out. Got it in the sun. Got it in the sun. And I still have to go ahead and do the finish up the wipe down. Let me know what you guys think down in the comment section below. Do you go through the wash? Was it worth it?
Get around to that.
I won't be going back through that. Not for that price, I won't. But other than that, though, it came out pretty good.
Wash. I think it's like a lemon scent, so we'll add that and use it another time when need be.
But other than that, thank you guys for tuning in, and I do have some more videos. I actually got a what is that, the little 2-door truck, the SS, the Chevrolet SS, I think it is, the little 2-door truck. I'm gonna go ahead, I got a video I got to post of that. I got another video, the F-150, if you've seen it on Instagram, got a video of that. So make sure you guys subscribe to the channel. We got more videos coming and more stuff about the Crown Vic coming too. I was gonna tint these windows, but it looked like we're gonna be having some bad weather coming up. It's been super hot, so it's either super hot, storming, a little bit of both, hot for a second, storming. So we're gonna go ahead and tint the Crown Vic. Now I was debating on maybe, I don't like the dark tint, not with the white car, so probably gonna end up going with maybe 35%. I just don't want it to have, just straight see-through. But I know 35% is not, you might as well almost not have any tint, but it does give you a little bit of privacy. So I'm gonna go ahead and go with that soon. Let me know what you guys think. I might just do like a partial, maybe darker in the back or something. Just let me know what you guys think, but we'll see. Other than that, thank you for watching. I will see you on the next video.